1, 2, 3, 4.
When you think Bollywood, you think big. You think larger than life. You think outrightly ostentatious.
तुम हिंदुस्तान के मुकद्दस तख्त पर एक हसीन लौंडी को नचाना चाहते हो।
दुनिया में हम आए हैं।
Whether it's the hard-hitting feudal world of Mother India or the dizzying aura of Mughal-e-Azam, the Hindi film experience has always been a one-way ticket for the wide-eyed viewer to the land of dream come true. And we've all been a part of this starry world. But come 70s, and we were in for quite a surprise. Taking off from the seriousness of the Bimal Roy era, but keeping the magic intact of popular cinema, emerged another genre altogether.
आप लोग तो भविष्य की तरफ पीठ करके अतीत की तरफ देखते रहते हैं, जबकि सूरज आपके पीछे निकल रहा है.
While the angry young man was tearing the evil world apart, his younger, unassuming and often bespectacled man-next-door brother was also beginning to make a quiet but firm place in our hearts.
देखिए, आप रिपोर्ट करेंगे तो बहुत बुरा होगा. ऐसे भी मैं अक्सर लेट आता हूँ. यकीन मानिए, आप मेरे ऑफिस का कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट देख लीजिए. मैं कोई ऐसा वैसा आदमी नहीं हूँ.
And with him, we welcomed with open arms cinema that is now called middle of the road. Simple in plot and heartwarming in thought, these films were about us. The characters were like us, and what's best, they all had a great sense of humor.
अंग्रेजी जानते हो?
हमें ये भाषा पसंद ही नहीं साहब.
क्यों?
आप ही बताइए मेम साहब. जब TO2, DO2, तो GO गू क्यों नहीं होता?
They not only gave us a reason to cry, but more importantly told us that we don't always need a reason to laugh.
ये है तेरा काफिया. चल, मुंह खोल, मुर्गा बोल.
People wanted to feel that yes, this is something my life, this is something I know. This Amol Palekar I know. He wasn't larger than life. This cinema talked about reality. This cinema talked about hero going to the office, commuting in bus, train.
A lot of people felt during those days that this is a slice of their own lives.
His life not having any drama, or his life without any villain in it, and yet that life was something very interesting.
Bringing to life this unbelievable association with every on-screen character were a bunch of filmmakers like Hrishikesh Mukherjee, Basu Chatterjee and Gulzar, who strongly endorsed the middle-of-the-road magic.
चोरी करना बुरा काम है, न करेंगे पीड़िए पाप.
तुम तो अभी बच्चे और मैं हूँ तुम्हारा बाप.
Leading the pack was of course Rishida. The reason why Rishida's movies always stood out was also because he himself had an unparalleled sense of humor, one which shone through his very immensely enjoyable body of work.
रास्कल, आप ये नई चालाकी शुरू की आग लाने की.
गुस्से में ये भी होता है इस खादिम के साथ. ये नाचीज अकेलाने के साथ साथ उर्दू में बोलने लगता है.
He laughed at everything. He laughed at every system possible. He would be telling us dirty jokes all the time, and I was pretty young, so I used to get very shocked. And then he had this habit of saying, "What? Don't mind your makeup, but make up your mind."
Rishida's films have given Hindi cinema some of its most memorable characters. Characters who would make you laugh till your sides ached.
Sir, ma'am.
Those who would make you cry from deep within.
आज तक किसी ने अपनी मौत नहीं देखी, लेकिन मैं वो अभागा हूँ जो हर रोज, हर पल, हर लम्हा अपनी मौत देख रहा है तुम्हारे चेहरे पर.
But most importantly, characters who could be living next door to you, or were simply just you, because of which their joys were as much ours while their sorrows, troubles and pain became our very own.
People saw a lot of themselves in these characters, and the fact that these films were so real, they were so down to earth, and they really spelled a lot of truth.
Hrishikesh Mukherjee had deep faith in human values. You would feel nice that you are a human being after watching Hrishikesh Mukherjee's picture.
With the birth of common man's cinema, we watched for the first time the unvanquished hero on screen and followed him right through to his giddying heights of stardom. At no other time and at no other place did hope emerge as much of a winner and the ordinary hero as much of a star.
Yes, I think because the main characters were underdogs, in one way or another. You saw commercial Hindi cinema, you felt, okay, it happens out there on the big screen and it's not about life. But here were, this whole body of work done where it was all about people around you, your neighbors, people you meet on the street.
Our ordinary hero's story was always simple, but the situation always difficult. His problems were real, but the solution always near. And in the end, we smiled through our tears. So while Anand, a bittersweet journey of unforgettable characters, and Rishida's tribute to Raj Kapoor created history, so did the story of the friendly neighborhood girl next door, Millie. Both being victims of a terminal disease, epitomized life and always emerged indisputable winners.
बाबूशाही, जिंदगी और मौत ऊपर वाले के हाथ है जहां पना, उसे ना तो आप बदल सकते हैं ना मैं. हम सब तो रंगमंच की कठपुतलियां हैं जिनकी डोर ऊपर वाले की उंगलियों में बंधी है. कब, कौन, कैसे उठेगा, ये कोई नहीं बता सकता है.
Rishida's films almost always left us thinking.
नहीं, डाल दे यार. मैं नहीं गाऊंगा. तेरे लिए नहीं है, भाभी के लिए कहना है.
So while Amitabh's character in Abhiman took a subtle beating for his fragile male ego, as we witnessed one of the truest stories on marital turmoil,
तुम समझती हो मैं तुम्हारी शोहरत तुम्हारे नाम से जलता हूं?
मैं नहीं जानती, आप जानते हैं.
the apparent comedy Khoobsurat didn't miss out on the chance at some social bashing either.
तुमने सिगरेट पीना फिर शुरू कर दिया. नहीं माँ, तो ये दाग कैसे पड़ गया? तुम्हें मालूम है कि सिगरेट पीना सेहत के लिए कितना खराब है.
With the 70s middle-of-the-road cinema, humor in films would never be the same again. Films like Golmaal and Chupke Chupke introduced us to a new brand of humor that was clean, sharp, witty, and refreshingly different from the earlier slapstick.
Excuse me?
Yes?
लगता है हम दोनों पहले कहीं मिल चुके हैं?
जी, मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं लगता.
Though we had characters with exaggerated sensibilities, they were all grounded in the very real, making them true to life, but also ravishingly funny.
ठीक है, मैं आया हूँ तो मिलकर ही आऊँगा. Of course, बैठिए. गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है. अरे गोलमाल है.
लक्ष्मण, किससे बात कर रहा है रे?
माँ, तुम आ गई माँ. मेरा मतलब है तुम नहा के आ गई.
And it isn't surprising that the cast of the cult classic Golmaal had as much, or perhaps even more fun, while shooting for it.
All three of us, me, Utpalda and Deena Pathak, all three of us belong to theatre. We were good friends. You see, it was this kind of a give and take and working as a team. What we call in our language, वो scene खाने की कोशिश होती है. Okay, let me be the center, let me be the focal point, but this was never the scene in any of those films.
अरे माली, जिसका नाम भवानी शंकर हो वो तो पैदा होते ही बुढ़ा हो गया, क्यों, है ना? अच्छा जाओ बुलाओ.
It really took a long time to can that particular sequence, because every time they did that interaction between Utpal Da and Amol Palekar, the entire unit used to crack up and roll on the ground and laugh.
आप? मेरा नाम भवानी शंकर है. भाई जो, आपका भी कोई जुड़वा भाई है क्या जो यहाँ माली का काम करता है?
Here was a man who wanted to tell you a very simple story.
उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम आज ऐसे गीत गाया करो.
In a life with a lot of tragedy, a lot of sadness, but there are moments of happiness as well.